Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Tamanna Awakens, which is your sacred place for introspection, healing, and awakening. Today is Feel It Fridays, and I genuinely want to share my feelings, whatever is going in my mind, raw, unfiltered, and without any script. I see everybody with multiple faces. I see everyone around me afraid of one or the other thing. In the professional front, everybody is afraid of being ruined by politics. In the personal front, everybody is afraid of being judged. At the front of family, everybody is afraid of losing their loved ones. Eventually, everyone is afraid. But the thing is, if you are just a character sent by the universe, if you are just a part of the play that was designed way back even before your birth, then what are we afraid of? Are we afraid of abandonment? Are we afraid of betrayal? Are we afraid of being ruined by politics when the thing is that you landed into this workplace not by your own efforts but by somebody's plan? Or are you afraid of losing your parents when, after all, and eventually, whatever we have been learning through our life, all that we have heard in our life is you come here alone and you will be leaving alone from this world. There will be nobody with you. Your parents were just a channel which helped the universe process you, which helped the universe to bring you to this planet, but their role someday or the other will come to an end. So, what are we afraid of? Why cannot we open up? Why cannot we have the vulnerability be processed into the roots? Why cannot our truth outshine every small fault or every small lie that the person in front of us is telling? I have been a topper throughout, but I have not visited the places outside my house. Throughout my life, in the age of 26, I have just been out with my friends or with a group of people just 4 times. And believe me, I do not crib anyone, but every single experience that I went outside and collected and came back just told me not to go anymore outside, just told me that I'll be more safe in the boundaries of my house, just told me that it's always better to stay alone than in a bad company. But the more fear I have been collecting throughout my life, the more fear I have been reflecting in my family to my mother about the kind of people there are in the world, about the kind of company that these kind of people give to you. I have been really become more and more afraid, and I have really closed down myself even for meeting people, even for feeling safe in my workplace. I always like environments which are controlled, which are protected. But the thing is, until unless I would have blind trust on the universe, until unless I would become absolute fearless that whoever will come into my path or whatever will happen in my life is the ultimate plan of divine, is the ultimate truth that is to be happened or that was planned for my life, I cannot live my life. Eventually I will have to surrender. Eventually I will have to become very okay with whatever will happen to me, with whatever is happening to me. That is the only way of living life. So who am I afraid of, or who are you afraid of? A person who is already insecure about one or the other thing, or a situation that you will never have a control upon, or an event that you do not even know if that will come into your favor or that if it will come unfavorable for you. When you cannot control the outcome, so why this fear? I really keep on thinking throughout the day. My thoughts never stop. I do not say that I do not meditate or I do not try different practices to calm my mind, but still the thoughts do not stop. I don't know what is bringing the thoughts into me. I really don't know that who is putting all these seeds into my mind. But all I know is I keep on digging every day. I keep on reading every day. I keep on searching things that are not visible on the surface right now. And I know one day or the other, the quest inside me will lead me to something that is much, much beyond the human minds, that is much beyond the upfront level that is visible to everyone. That is why I'm not stopping. That is why the questions are not ending. And that is why everyone around me just runs from me, that either I'm going to, just irritate them with my questions, or I'm not going to keep my mouth shut, or either I'm going to tell them some things continuously that have been coming up into my mind. Either they can be that can be a psychological stuff, that can be a spiritual thing, that can be a past life regression thing, or that can be something that is bothering to me about with the future. But I don't stop, and I'm okay with it. If someone likes me, that is also fine, and if someone doesn't like me, that is also fine. But yes, I do feel afraid. I am afraid of marriage. I am afraid of all the things that happen around me. I am afraid that I have not seen the world around me. But I know one thing for sure, and this has been instilled in my mind since childhood, that there is some superpower, there is somebody who is controlling the universe, who is controlling the nature. That is why, in spite of all the thoughts that I have, in spite of all the nights that I have been crying in pain, in spite of all the tragedies that have happened in my life, the sun never stopped rising. The moon never stopped coming to its different phases. The rain never stopped happening. And even when the world feels like ending, even when everyone around me keeps on chanting that this world is full of betrayals, this world is full of everybody who is right there behind to hate someone, or right there behind to kill someone and climb the ladder and go on top of that person, but still there is some protection that is helping people like me, that is helping people like you to be saved. So instead of panicking and instead of feeling afraid of every small thing, and it is not just for you, this is for myself also. When I talk to you, when I speak to you openly from my heart, like today I am speaking, these things are not meant only for you, but somehow they are also coming into my subconscious mind. They're also being instilled into my mind just like seeds, that no matter what kind of fears I am going to have or you are going to have, no matter how much afraid do I am feeling or how much fearful are you feeling, life will unfold according to its own pace. Things will happen if you're scared or if you're not, if you feel fearful or if you don't, if you have the courage inside you to fight the things, or even if you do not know how to, sometimes even console a person who has just lost a loved one. But eventually, if that person is near you, you will find the courage to console that person. And that is how beautiful you have been designed, and that is how beautiful God has created this world. So instead of fearing for all the small things, just remember that He is the one who has created you. He is the one who has creating the cunning, the smart, the over smart, the overconfident, and the people who are not even aware about their surroundings. People like me who have been reading throughout the life, who have been called intelligent throughout their life, but they do not know about the practical world. You are also safe in His arms, and everyone is safe in His arms. There is nobody who will cheat, there is nobody who will betray. You attract people the way your energy demands. So if you're open to love, if you're vulnerable, if you surrender to the flow of life, everything and everyone that keeps on coming to your life, all the events, all the persons, will be ultimately a divine blessing, and ultimately somebody who will help you grow, who will help you feel loved, and who will make you surrender to the free flow of life. So stop having fears, stop being afraid, and just remember, He who has created you knows how to protect you. And you are not going to succumb to death, or you are not going to fail in things when He is there for you. Stop fearing out, let God handle everything, and let life unfold at its own pace. This is Tamanna signing off. I'll be seeing you in next episode when I bring something direct from my heart, when my raw emotions tell you about the things that are going inside me or that I witness, that I want you to see. Until then, take care of yourselves. God bless you all.